Right now we're down here at the University of Florida in Gainesville at a facility that has a couple of different things that are being built to model what it's like inside a hurricane. Right now everybody's setting up for this simulation that we're going to be running of what happens when you take this sliding glass door and subject it to hurricane conditions. But we didn't just subject inanimate objects to hurricane forces. I decided to find out what it would be like for a living, breathing human being, namely, me. All right, all you people out there in the inner tubes.
I'm gonna need you to start slow and bring the fans up to speed.
I hope you appreciate this. I'm about to get very windblown and wet, all for you. And for science. Just hope my hair doesn't get messed up. This is a Category 1 simulation. Experiencing just a Category 1 hurricane in this machine has given me a new perspective on a storm's massive power.
I think I got a bug in my mouth. Wow, that was invigorating.
Hurricanes are tough to stand up in, let alone fight back against.
How high did the winds get on that one?
75 miles per hour?
A mere 75.
But that isn't stopping some scientists from trying. My favorite idea for trying to control a hurricane, just because of the seemingly sort of obvious wackiness of it, was this idea of trying to take a squadron of supersonic jets and moving them through the storm in the hopes of trying to disrupt it. Outside of a Superman comic, that's probably not the approach. Working on this hurricane episode has really been, personally, very educational. It goes without saying, of course, hurricanes are gigantic forces of nature. We all know that. But the real scale of power associated with these hurricanes is frankly really awe-inspiring. But experiencing their power firsthand has made me realize just how difficult it will be for mankind to hack a hurricane.
Hacking the Planet, premiering Thursday, February 28th at 8 on the Weather Channel.